Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Join us on Mega Technology as we unveil the remarkable world of heavy machines, modern innovations, and the transformative impact of technology. If you're looking for a crane that not only lifts your loads, but also lifts the spirits of the entire crew, then the SMC 812CCL is your ideal candidate. With its spacious cabin equipped with all amenities, operators will compete to work for the right to work with this crane. The SMC 812CCL combines outstanding lifting capacity with excellent maneuverability, making complex tasks surprisingly simple. It's not just a crane, it's a masterclass in efficiency and comfort at the workplace. Say goodbye to tired hands and dull saws. The FC 465 stump cutter comes to the rescue to clear your area of stumps, both above and below ground. This is a true professional in his field, which is easily attached to the hydraulic boom of any construction equipment. A wide variety of fasteners are available to you to ensure perfect compatibility and performance. The FC 465 is not just a tool, but the key to a clean and tidy landscape. Why split firewood the old-fashioned way when you can use the Narva H60 Holcomb cone and turn the job into a spectacle? This wood splitter not only reduces time and effort, but makes the process spectacular. With powerful hydraulics capable of generating tremendous pressure, the Narva H60 handles logs like a professional wrestler against an opponent. Use it in production or commercial applications, and watch as it effortlessly transforms timber into manageable firewood. The Kesla 700 series cranes are suitable for medium-sized machinery, crushers, and various terminal structures. The range includes single and double hull modes. Additional equipment can be added from the wide range of Kesla Pro G. The cranes can be equipped with an electronic remote control valve. Model 700 and 700T can also be equipped with mechanical valves with internal open control for devices. In this video, a Model 700 crane is working in close association with a Voltra T195 in a Finnish forestry operation and is mounted on the rear axle of this tractor. When was the last time loading wood seemed like an easy task? That's all about to change with trailers from Dole. Designed for logs up to 72 feet, these 2- and 3-axle ingenious designs turn loading into a process worthy of admiration. With their unique crane and multi-telescopic adapters, every action becomes precise and efficient. CAN bus network control and specialized semi-trailer equipment ensure that every load is delivered safely and precisely where it needs to go. If machines had superpowers, the M-Planter M160R from Kobelco would surely be a landscaping superhero. With 160 horsepower and tracked for better maneuverability, it turns tree planting into an art form. Imagine how it gently enters the ground like a knife into butter. Watch this ninja transform a vacant lot into a lush garden. Do you think he can do it faster than your coffee machine makes an espresso? Russell, the largest salt mining company, presented to the world its latest achievement, an experimental salt picker that has no analogs at the global level. Developed in-house, their innovative unit is designed to remove the salt layer gently from Lake Buskunchek, helping to preserve its unique ecosystem and prepare fields for new salt to grow. The new generation loader effectively works at a depth of up to 1.6 feet, removing brine and associated rock. Particularly noteworthy is its appearance. The powerful truck is painted in blue and red colors, reminiscent of Optimus Prime, the famous hero of the Transformers comics, making it not only a technological marvel, but also visually memorable. The Bacchus A38 represents the culmination of innovative developments in the field of ecological engineering, being an advanced extension of the Bacchus A36. This triangular windrow tedder is particularly effective in areas requiring maximum precision and productivity, such as composting green waste or remediating contaminated land. The machine is equipped with a state-of-the-art Cummins engine compliant with a Tier 5 emission standard, ensuring environmentally friendly operation even in the most demanding conditions. With a track drive available in 3 variations including rubber and steel tracks, the Bacchus A38 adapts to different types of surfaces, offering optimal traction and durability depending on the configuration chosen. Crawler crane with lattice boom, Minotowik Model 18000 has a lifting capacity of 750 tons. Thanks to its simple assembly and self-assembly capability, a mobile crane with a small lifting capacity is sufficient when assembling the crane. A large selection of maneuvering and fixed jibs, sections, and boom heads allows you to solve many problems in modern construction. Several variants of counterweights provide an opportunity to develop low pressure on the base, thereby ensuring movement with a load on the hook on unpaved sites. TMC Cancella's forestry mulching solutions are definitely built for the toughest working conditions. This equipment is specially designed for mulching branches and low trees, including stump residues after felling. It produces a very high degree of mulching, often with sawdust. The technique has been developed with high build quality, using high-strength steel and the latest technology for production. Due to the versatility and efficiency, this company's forest mulchers have become simply indispensable tools in the forestry industry, providing an effective means of land preparation and vegetation control. The K-Tech Model 1228 ADT is a powerful machine with excellent maneuverability. K-Tech's lowest cost to install ADT scraper provides high productivity on small, heavy-duty construction sites. The all-welded rigid frame model 1228 ADT has a 28 cubic yard payload capacity, which is highly impressive. The 1228 ADT is an attractive choice for contractors who have older or idle ADTs in their fleet with 25 to 35 ton capacities that can be converted into efficient and versatile scraper dump trucks. Have you ever seen Sennebagen operate with the precision of a surgeon, carefully removing only those sections of trees that have failed or are no longer needed? It's like a dance where every step is designed to preserve the health and beauty of nature, and the waste is immediately converted into a useful resource. When a packaging machine takes over, a miracle of transformation takes place. From an ordinary pile of product, it creates perfect, ready-to-sell units. It's not just packaging, it's art made with incredible precision and care. The H4 Reefinator from Roxgon is a 28-ton machine that acts like a giant cheese grater, removing a rock layer at a time. Hydraulic tines impact the surface, reducing the size and the mass of the rock before a water-filled 9.8-foot wide rib drum completes the shredding process. Just 2 or 3 passes will produce pea-sized crushed rock mixed with soil up to 2 feet deep, an ideal base for a wide variety of crops and pastures. Designed to be as rugged and simple as possible to minimize potential downtime and material consumption costs, this powerful machine can crush most types of rock with minimal damage to wear parts. And it's all thanks to stronger tools that interact with the ground. Did you know that the Panther Series low loader from Cat Westrack not only transports heavy equipment, but does it with incredible grace and power? This low loader trailer, specially designed for transporting oversized equipment, can easily withstand enormous loads. Thanks to its reinforced frame and powerful hydraulics, even the heaviest and most cumbersome machines, such as bulldozers or excavators, become almost weightless. Intrigued? Just imagine how it gracefully raises and lowers its platform for loading and unloading like a dancer on stage. In steel mills where the heat is mind-boggling, the Cat 973 track loader is a hero. This machine is specially designed to work in extreme conditions where white-hot slag becomes a daily routine. Watch as the Cat 973 calmly loads, spreads, and unloads hot stuff like it's just sand on the beach. Not a drop of sweat. This is not just a loader, but a high-performance robot designed to withstand the tests of fire and heat. In the world of construction, Casa Grande hydromills are like superheroes among ordinary bulldozers. Capable of withstanding the most challenging ground conditions, these machines are equipped with 2 drive gears that rotate directly at the bottom of the trench. And yes, they really mill the soil and rock, mixing it all with bentonite slurry to the rhythm of the construction blues. If you need something reliable for creating membrane walls, these water mills won't just do the job, they'll exceed your expectations by adding a little style to every excavation. You see a revolutionary trailer designed to tow vehicles on public roads during filming. Such a unique trailer is designed to keep its contours invisible in the frame, allowing you to create perfect scenes running. With a rear axle width of only 4.43 feet, it remains hidden behind the vehicle without disturbing the illusion of motion. Equipped with advanced technologies such as hydraulic steering, the trailer you see allows you to adapt the motion to any type of vehicle, ensuring every scene is realistic. Ever wondered if a machine could process entire trees with precision and accuracy? The new Delfab Phoenix 3-wheel feller buncher from Trax Plus is an example of high engineering. Equipped with a powerful 130 horsepower, Cummins engine and unique features, the Phoenix easily cuts, grabs, and gently places trees on the ground, making it the ideal choice for thinning forests. And the optional mulcher and overhead head only add to its versatility and operational efficiency. In a world where every piece of land holds undiscovered treasures, the eccentric XR22 comes into play as a master destroyer, overturning conventional notions of power and efficiency. Born from the bowels of innovation, this hydraulic ripper carries the banner of revolution, offering a new approach to working the ground. Thanks to its patented impact technology through energy storage, it turns the roughest rocks into dust, opening the way for quarries, tunnels, and new construction. The Wallenstein model WP525 is an easy-to-use and reliable wood splitter that greatly increases production while reducing physical labor. With it, you'll be able to cut logs up to 16 inches in diameter full din and lift them up a ramp, so your manual intervention in the process is virtually minimized. The technique has a self-contained engine and Honda hydraulics, and towing it is simple and easy behind a car or ATV. The wood chipper is equipped with Torflex suspension, which is designed to absorb bumps in the road for a smoother towing experience. You see the Zoomlion ZR360L rotary drilling rig, which has a maximum drilling diameter of 8.2 feet and a maximum depth of 328 feet. The main rear winch of the machine with a single-coiled wire rope reel with a dual-gear mechanism greatly increases the service life of the steel wire rope. The high efficiency of the design is ensured by a high-flow main pump, a multi-stage rotor drive, and a 2-speed feed cylinder. A more stable design and higher load-carrying capacity are achieved by improved mass section. Double booms with parallel lowering mechanism, large slewing platform, and reinforced chassis. Clearing is carried out with the Meripede planter of the new RT400 MG model. After the Mera Crusher has cleared all vegetation, the auger leveler is used for profiling. The leveler is mounted on a 3-point hitch and comes with an agricultural tractor. The machine can be used to cultivate agricultural fields and wetlands. The auger ditching machines have proven to be excellent for ditching work, which is also possible in frosty conditions. Profiling cutters can be used to remove any raised edges of the ditch, while preparatory cutters are used to cut down bog brush, stumps, and snags. Using the profiler 4 to 5 times during the summer will save a lot of time in fall soil preparation. You will be impressed by the off-road capability of the scissor elevators of the Pulseo generation. The axle transmission and all-wheel drive give them excellent off-road capability and exceptional off-road performance. The HS15E and HS18E scissor elevators can handle gradients of up to 45% and have high ground clearance. Therefore, they can work on steep slopes and are suitable for all situations. These machines are capable of traveling on any terrain, even on very rough terrain, and they have a high grip on the ground. The oscillating axle adjusts the position of the front wheels to uneven terrain and ensures continuous contact between the wheels and the ground. Airless honeycomb tires are highly durable, have good ground grip, and absorb shock. Thanks to high productivity and perfect synchronization of the mechanisms, the machine produces protective metal weaving of incredible complexity. The result is a powerful combination of reliability and efficiency that demonstrates the cool capabilities of modern technology. Popular Sleipner offers a complete solution for mobilizing crawler equipment. The Sleipner E-Series is designed to move excavators, and the Sleipner DB Series is designed to move rigs, dozers, and other tracked equipment. You can see what they look and work like on your screens as the company's 2022 product line is presented. Presenting a legend of lifting equipment, the 45-year-old side loader from Hamar. This old warrior isn't just an average loader, it's the first of its kind and still in action, lifting 20-foot containers with an ease that even the company's new models might envy. Who said old can't be in service? As you can see, this long liver continues to prove otherwise. You see a universal finishing machine on a wheel chassis UDS 232, which has excellent mobility and the ability to move both on the road and in the field. Such technique is suitable for precise finishing earthworks and final modifications of building contract with the surrounding terrain. A wide range of additional attachments allows the machine to be used for various purposes. It has a wheel chassis and is suitable for forestry work, as you can see on the screens, as well as in mining, oil industry, or finishing earthworks. Meet the Puma 3303 from GreenTech. Truly a true ace in landscape maintenance. This multifunctional machine features high-performance cutting blades that promise to make green space cleanup fast and efficient. With the Puma 3303, taming the overgrowth and shrubs on your property will turn into an enjoyable task. You can easily cut grass, trim branches, and even deal with fallen trees. The self-propelled three-wheeled machine with the latest suction unit is used to clean festival grounds and streets, and in the winter to suck up leaves for various municipalities. The three-wheeled bike, as it is called, is very maneuverable. The location of the suction nozzles on the front of the machine, rather than the rear, prevents the vehicle from pushing the waste into the ground beforehand. The fans provide suction power and dirt pulverization. Due to its small size, the machine is easy to maneuver among the objects at the festival. The machine can unload the waste into a container using a hydraulic tipper. It turns out that a circular saw can be a great tool for creating perfectly shaped wooden blocks. You just want to take a few of them and make something useful for your home out of them. You see a telehandler, a symbol of power and reliability created for those who are looking for more than just equipment, but a reliable work assistant. With its unique ability to handle biomass and dispense of food waste effortlessly, the Senebogen 340G stands out as a master of its own craft. Its special design with automatic transmission and chopping optimized control system makes every task more efficient. In addition to its powerful lifting capacity, this loader can work on narrow ledges and difficult gradients, offering performance that optimizes processes and increases efficiency at every stage. Discover the Vermeer RTX 1250, the latest tractor that will become your indispensable assistant in the installation field. With its innovative attachments, this tractor is extremely versatile and productive, allowing you to complete even the most challenging tasks with ease. Whether it's cable work or laying utilities, the RTX 1250 is ready for any challenge, giving you the choice of maneuverable tires or rugged tracks for traversing rough terrain. end your workday with confidence knowing that your job is done, thanks to equipment specifically designed for these tasks. The HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket converts the hydraulic energy of mobile equipment or vehicles into a vacuum to dispose of debris and into an airstream for cleaning. It is used for cleanup at construction and demolition sites, as well as other maintenance tasks. The HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket not only produces a powerful negative pressure of -8 kilopascal, but also has other excellent features. For example, it has a powerful maximum airflow of 3.4 meters cubed per second. There are auxiliary suction ports and a vacuum hose for on-foot operation. There is also an adjustable suction airlock for precise vacuum cleaning. Remove padding buckets are designed for the demanding tasks of backfilling pipelines and trenches, as well as excavating cables and utility lines in the most challenging environments. These construction tools are extremely durable and eliminate all the extra hassle you don't want when working in a remote location. The bucket frame is designed to last even when you need to move large rocks. There is a separate, powerful direct drive motor for each rotor, and quick and easy maintenance procedures reduce production time. In a rural region of the United Kingdom, or more precisely in the southwest of England, the telecommunications company Wessex Internet has begun work on laying internet cables to connect rural communities to the network. Of course, the best helper for her in this difficult business was the company manufacturer Reinger, which created its RTX machine just for such purposes. How does it work and what did it do? See for yourself. Allow me to introduce you to a machine that is not just a machine, but a whole orchestra of mechanisms playing in unison for the sole purpose of achieving perfection. Its appearance, it is the epitome of performance and power, a real visual treat. The MVF-5 is a multi-purpose, heavy-duty robotic emergency response system. It serves first responders to perform tasks in the harshest, most challenging, and life-threatening environments. The MVF-5's primary mission is to extinguish fires in extreme conditions, in hard-to-reach, high-risk areas, and to clear roadblocks and debris without directly threatening operators. The Holaris FOD turns the task of keeping airports clean into a process of high precision and efficiency. With a sweeping width of 23 feet and with 3 interconnecting units, this machine easily attaches to different tractors, allowing one operator to operate it with surprising ease. Forget about lengthy maintenance. The Holaris FOD minimizes the cost and time required to keep it up and running. Its ability to efficiently clear FODs of various sizes and materials ensures the safety of every takeoff and landing. So with a spacious 400-liter collection box and environmentally friendly operation, the machine becomes the ideal solution for keeping airport areas spotless, eliminating the risk of SPT and ensuring every aircraft flies in peace. The Komatsu MC51 continuous hardwood miner has become a star on the job site. Watch as the machine used its robotic cutter to cut rock into small pieces, demonstrating the ability to dig a 16.4 by 16.4 foot tunnel. Not only does the MC51's electrical system ensure no emissions, but it also automates the crushing process with impressive accuracy thanks to Dynacut technology, which provides cutting accuracy within 2.16 inches. This technology allows operators to control the machine from a safe distance, minimizing risks and increasing safety on the job. The Kaiser S8 All-Road is a truly unique walking excavator that defines a new performance class of such mobile machines, robust, maneuverable, and highly efficient. With maximum adjustability, the undercarriage provides the proven high stability that is the hallmark of all Kaiser mobile walking excavators. Entirely new in this weight category is the optional Rotoline system. The S8 All-Road technology is based on the latest S12 generation and complements perfectly the Kaiser range. The complex is designed for resistance butt welding of rails with cross-sectional area from 21.3 feet squared to 32.8 feet squared in the field during repair and construction of railroad and streetcar tracks. The base of this complex is a Volvo car chassis, which is equipped with a railroad track with bogies that provide movement on the railroad track, driven by the friction of car wheels on rails with a width of 4.98 or 4.7 feet. The truck body houses an automotive diesel generator, welding machine, pumping station, control cabinet, hydraulically powered hoist, and auxiliary equipment. If there's one job on the farm that everyone struggles to do, it's certainly not picking up stones. It's a messy, labor-intensive task that never seems to end, and no matter how attentive the operator of a trailed or walking picker is, there will always be stones left in the field. The Quicker Picker is the first rotary rock picker to attach to the front of mini loaders with at least 60 horsepower. The 400 and 800 models are available. The 400 model, which can hold up to 900 pounds of rocks, has a drum length of 36 inches and a diameter of 30 inches. Not surprisingly, the 800 model offers increased both size and load capacity, holding up to 2,000 pounds and offering a drum length of 48 inches and a diameter of 36 inches. The new 6.9X Series All-Star Sieve Bucket is the first time the All-Star Sifting Bucket has been used with colonnade sand and decorative stone. The All-Star Sieving Bucket and JCB Topsoil work seamlessly together to mix compost and topsoil, creating a well-balanced environment for gardening use. The X Series utilizes dual screening bays for increased productivity, sturdy construction, and space. By the way, Difco manufactures and supplies only the highest quality equipment for the construction and recycling industries. Three high-performance monsters have taken on the task of taking care of the roads during heavy snow drifts, and it's a pleasure to watch them work. With their incredible power and coordinated action, winter roads will be safe. Did you know that when fire, metal, and a press meet in the same place, they can create art? Look at this. A 3,000-ton hot-forming press transforms preheated red-hot material into a stunning dish-shaped tank head. The process is a real spectacle. A wheel loader feeds a perfectly round and flat piece of metal under the press, where the magic of transformation awaits. Under enormous pressure and tongues of flame, the material takes the shape of a bowl. This process is not only impressive in its power, but also demonstrates how pure raw materials become useful products. I am amazed every time how people can come up with so many things. Take machine tools. They turn heavy metal into small but very useful things. It's like magic. You take a piece of iron and make it something useful and significant out of it. Road safety is the one task that requires precision and attention to all details. X-Cone transforms this challenge by providing a fully automated system for controlling traffic cones. With a user-friendly 7-inch touchscreen, drivers can easily set the desired cone spacing starting at 32.8 feet, allowing them to tailor the markings to any roadwork condition. The X-Cone has the unique ability to adapt to the needs of any situation, deploying and collecting cones on both sides of traffic flow. This not only contributes to the safety of personnel, but also significantly increases the productivity of the workflow, making each action more focused and efficient. Instantly, the machine becomes a powerful tool, dividing the ground with the precision of a surgical scalpel. It is a pleasure to watch it work because it makes the whole process surprisingly simple and efficient. The MC815 stands at the head of the popular Maiden lineup with a whopping 8.09 tons of lifting capacity, making it the most powerful forklift in its class today. With a lift height of 64 feet and a new 10.4-inch multi-function touchscreen monitor and an additional 1-ton capacity, this crane offers unmatched versatility and high lift capacity. The optional 1.5-ton capacity SWL hydraulic 2-section extension increases the maximum lift height to 84 feet. There is an all-new search hook that provides a best-in-class load capacity of up to 1 ton. New to this model are a power lift mode and multiple outrigger mode, joystick radio control, self-leveling function, automatic crane folding by remote control, and an EU stage IIIB compliant engine that makes the machine environmentally friendly. You are looking at a 3-axle, low-loader tractor equipped with a large cargo crane that can work 360 degrees thanks to its X-shaped stabilizer design. The truck crane is the only one in the Autotrasporti Giolo fleet that has a special X shape. It can lift 28 tons close to the vehicle and 2,535 pounds at 118 feet. Such machinery is used for loading and unloading. For example, steel beams, concrete pipes, and various construction equipment. Now you have the opportunity to witness something magical, a process in which a laser transforms simple materials into exquisite works of art with amazing precision and ease. Just look and enjoy. The new Magirus Wolf R1 is a true marvel of robotics. It fully justifies its considerable cost and can perform the most complex firefighting operations in harsh conditions. Its tracked base and 3.9-foot width allows it to be used on forest fires or on highly hazardous industrial fires. The TAF-60, on the other hand, can flow up to 6,000 liters of water per minute, which is a great advantage, especially when fighting large fires in chemical or refinery plants. The overall height of the firefighting robot has been reduced to less than 6.2 feet, which means the TAF-60 can easily penetrate low buildings. The optional central monitor, which can be turned sideways, opens up a whole new operational tactic. While the hot spot is being cooled by water mist, the monitor can simultaneously target and extinguish neighboring embers. Steer always makes sure that their machine combinations are optimally matched to each other. That this has again been achieved can be seen in the combination of a trencher with a paving attachment attached to the Fendt Vario 211P. With this innovative Steer invention, narrow pipe trenches are milled in and underground under asphalt or soil, mainly in urban areas. After laying the pipes in the trench, the road surface or soil is backfilled and compacted with the Steer compressor wheel. The Multi-One solar panel washer is designed to clean photovoltaic solar panels and help maintain and optimize their performance. The use of a solar panel washer, regular cleaning, and maintenance is critical to ensure that solar panels do not lose up to 17 to 25% of electric generation due to the accumulation of dirt, dust, and other foreign matter. A solar panel wash can clean anywhere from 0.7 megawatt-hours to 2 megawatt-hours, all depending on the type of surface. A Chemrock KDS 50 diamond saw bust cuts the left wing of an old, retired Boeing 707 at Hamburg Airport. The outer end of the wing has already been cut off, and the operator cuts through the thin aluminum wing on the inside of the engine. It's no task to test the powerful attachments mounted on the telescopic handler owned by Thalen Industrial Demolition GmbH, TID. The forks of the telescopic forklift were placed under the jet engine to prevent it from falling after separating from the rest of the aircraft. What could I say? The diamond saw did a great job at its primary task. You see a special attachment from Iron Baltic with a ball hitch, hand winch, roller, log rack with hanging chains, and flotation tires for ATVs. The machines are designed to haul large logs behind an ATV or RTV. The log dump truck can be used with or without a dolly. The front of the log is lifted up, and then the log is pulled behind, leaving one end on the ground. To reduce environmental impact and for long-distance towing, the cart can be used to suspend the rear of the log to act as a trailer. Ideal for thinning plantations and removing cleared trees whole. The front loader Caterpillar CAT 994 is one of the largest loaders in the world. It is designed to work with dump trucks with payload capacity of 150, 200, and 250 tons. The curb weight of this monster of special equipment is 239 tons. The machine is equipped with a well-proven turbocharged diesel engine, CAT 3516E, with a total capacity of 1,847 horsepower. During development, great attention was paid by the manufacturer to reducing operating expenses. The engine's advanced air filter design provides triple the engine life, and the oil change period is extended by 500 engine hours. All of the truck's lighting fixtures utilize longer-lasting and more economical LEDs. I can't imagine how long this process would take if it were done manually. However, it is good that there is a special machine that can take care of roadside areas in a much better and more productive way. As pipe welding standards and techniques continue to evolve, McElroy introduces the latest machine, reliable and industry-leading equipment. Their Triton 560 combines the features of three of McElroy's most innovative machines: reliable portability and Trackstar I-Series technology, Talon 2000 pipe lidding capabilities, and the ability to meet the pipe where it lies found in Acrobat quick-fit carriages. These techniques help with pipe positioning, providing greater flexibility and increased productivity. With the same rugged dual rubber tracks found on McElroy Trackstar machines, the Triton provides all-terrain mobility, allowing for easy movement over various surfaces, and can drive directly to and from the pipe itself. Watching the guy operating his unique machine, you can't help but notice his satisfaction with his work. He clearly enjoys the process, realizing that he has made his task much easier thanks to the new technology. You can see the brand new track drive from Multi-One mini loaders. It fulfills its primary purpose by providing maximum machine stability and traction with minimal ground damage and low ground pressure. The large contact area under the tracks reduces pressure, minimizes ground damage, and prevents falling through soft ground and rutting. So now you can have a truly superior ally in agriculture, green space and landscaping construction, and property maintenance. The Prinoth Panther T16 crawler is, on its own, a very powerful and productive machine. But what could be better when paired with the optional Terex TM125? This productive, high-tech duo is just perfect for all your power generation needs. And believe me, there is no task impossible with such powerful equipment. Meet the baler, a real Terminator in the world of metal processing. The mechanical giant doesn't just destroy cars. He does it with such grace and power that even Arnold himself would be jealous. It is specially designed for crushing and pressing metals, so it will help your business reduce waste and increase profits. Featuring a robust stainless steel construction and a choice of diesel or electric motors, the equipment ensures your recycling is both fast and economical. Don't be surprised if he starts asking for more after the first car. We have witnessed human genius give birth to a technical marvel that has already become a star at the Innovation Fair. Its design beckons the eye and impresses the imagination, making us wonder if its functionality will surpass its appearance. Meet the Liebherr TA230 Litronic, the true star of the quarry dump trucks. This cool monster on wheels not only looks like something out of a futuristic movie, but works with such power that any loads turn to dust in its path. Equipped with a modern diesel engine and the Litronic system, the TA230 promises maximum performance with minimal fuel costs. And don't worry about maneuvers. Its improved control system and spacious cabin make every turn easy and comfortable. Meet a major league player in the world of metalworking, a powerful press that makes sharp, smooth cuts like magic. This helper not only saves you time and effort, but also takes your projects to the next level. You are looking at the most versatile mobile shredder for garbage and car tires in particular, with superior capacity and performance. The Tana Shark 440D Teco has many unique features and is designed to shred the widest range of materials. This industrial waste shredder allows complete control of particle size from 2 to 20 inches with minimal operating expenses. This provides time and cost savings, as shreddings can be accomplished in just one pass. The machine's information management system allows you to calculate production efficiency, including cost and profit per ton, as well as evaluate the performance of different operators by comparing the volumes they shredded over a specific period of time, such as a one-work shift. Dreaming of a helper that can do the dishes better than anyone else? Here it is! A washing machine that will make you forget about boring cleaning. Ideal not only for the home, but also a real lifesaver for cafes and restaurants. Meet Florey's new Power Track Shredder, designed based on the latest scientific research. This device efficiently shreds branches and garden clippings to a 4-inch size, allowing them to be used as mulch to enrich your garden soil. An environmentally friendly alternative to burning crop residue, the Power Track helps keep the air clean and eliminates the mandatory need to keep track of your agricultural burn schedule. This is the first generation of 3-axle excavators, the innovative EHF 250 Turbo Forestry Excavator from the renowned Eckel Hartstall GmbH. The new generation of forestry excavators combines careful timber harvesting with maximum flexibility in the use of the machine itself. Reduced ground pressure and increased traction with a tiny turning radius are possible thanks to wheel steering and lateral movement via Z gear. It turns out there is an ingenious way to quickly and easily collect all the balls from the field. This method is highly efficient and can make preparing the field for the next game much easier. The perfect assistant for the agro industry? Quiet, reliable, and definitely highly efficient. This machine expertly wraps the crop, placing it neatly on the ground, ready for the next stage of harvesting. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.